traditional fingernail dance of the Sul people of the Sulu archipelago and eastern coast Bajau of Sabah. The Pangalay performance is characterized by the graceful movement of the dancer's arms and hands, flowing in the synchrony, the gentle blowing of the wind. This dance is distinct because it resembles the movement of ocean waves, enhanced by long metal fingernails worn by the dancers. It is usually performed at weddings and other occasions. Dancing not only allows them to release kept energy, but also to assert their creativity in a community of strongly held traditions and customs.